Hello. Welcome to this talk on survey programming automation as an alternative to offshore outsourcing, or more generally, the rise of survey programming automation. Very often, we can learn a lot about our own industry by looking at the history of others. So we're going to begin today with a brief recap of the automotive industry. In the early 20th century, there were numerous automotive companies that produced hand-built cars. Each was custom-made by a team of highly skilled craftsmen. And then, in 1908, Henry Ford changed everything with the introduction of the Model T. While we all know that Henry Ford brought the assembly line to American industry, a lesser-known fact is that Ford's assembly line actually produced a higher quality car at a lower price point than could be achieved without his new technology. So Ford's big innovation was not simply that the Model T was cheaper, but that it was in fact better than the hand-built cars. We can see how rapidly this innovation changed the automotive industry. Only 4 years later, Ford controlled 48% of the automotive market, and then only 6 years after that, 60% of all cars were built by Ford. So how can we apply this knowledge to our industry? Let's begin by taking a look at the current state of the market research industry. We have a very similar industry structure to that of the early 20th century automotive industry. We have lots of competitors, things are built by hand, entry is relatively easy as there are few market barriers. Custom market research studies are the norm, and projects are executed by hand by highly skilled people. What we're going to do today is introduce you to the concept of survey programming automation, and with it detail how you can evolve your process from custom hand-built research to custom automated research. Survey programming automation is a part of the next evolution in market research. Similar to the vast improvements that Ford introduced, automation will deliver a quantum leap forward to market research companies. What we are talking about is not a 10 to 15% improvement, but rather huge improvements of 40 times, 50 times, or greater. Survey programming automation can help your company dramatically lower costs, improve quality, and shorten timelines.